Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share a new airdrop which recently launched called Spicenet. So what they offer, they say the brokerage network for DeFi. We enable universal access to the top DeFi venues across all networks. If you want more information about their project, they have a website where you'll find lots of details. You can visit it if you want. As for the funding, they have already raised $3.4 million. If we talk about the investors, we can see top investors like Hack VC, Magnus Capital and many others. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll provide the link in the description, so make sure to join now. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. After landing here, the first thing you need to do is click on login. After that, you will see multiple wallet options. You can join with any wallet, but I'd use Metamask. Then a pop-up will appear asking you to connect. Simply click on connect. After that, a sign-in prompt will appear. Just click on confirm. Your referral code will automatically be filled in. If not, you can check in the video description. I'll also share the code there. Simply click on activate. After that, you're ready to go. So go to the quest section. Here you will see many different quests. You have to complete all these quests one by one. The first quest will ask you to follow. You have to follow Spicenet on X. Simply click on this quest, then click on connect X. Now you need to connect your X account. Simply click on authorize app. Then click on follow. And your quest will be completed. Close it now. As you can see, I have just completed one task and got 50 points for that. Now scroll down. You will see more quests open. At the top, you'll find a daily check-in option. You need to do this check-in regularly. Simply click on it and claim. You will get 1 point daily for this. Scrolling further down, you'll find many more quests, mostly related to X or Discord. You may need to follow, like, retweet or add an emoji to your username. Let me show you some tasks as an example. For example, this one is a follow task. You just need to click on follow and it will automatically complete, giving you 50 points. Next, click on this one, then again click follow and it's done. But remember, you need to click here to follow first, then go back and verify. Also, if you have a LinkedIn account, you can complete this task as well. Next, let's complete this one. Here you basically need to copy the symbol by clicking here. Then go to your Twitter profile, add this to your name and save. After that, come back to this page and click on verify and claim. And it will be complete. Next, let's join the Discord server. Click here on connect Discord. Then authorize. Now you need to join their server. If you click on claim, it may show an error. Basically, you need to join their server first. For that, click on join Discord server. Then accept the invite. My Discord servers are full, but I hope you got how to complete this task. Scrolling down further, you'll find tasks where you need to create and publish a clip. Click on it and you'll see more detailed instructions. You just need to create a clip about Spicy Future DeFi. Upload it on your X profile and tag both of their official profiles. Once you tag them, come back here and paste the link of your post in the given field. Then simply click on claim and this task will also be completed. In this way, you'll find many different tasks. Complete all of them one by one. The upper tasks give fewer points, but as you go down, you'll start getting higher points. So make sure to complete all the tasks, especially the ones that give more points. You will also find a leaderboard section here. You can check your current rank based on the points you've earned. For example, if we collect around 3,500 points, we can reach the top 10. That means we're joining this airdrop at a very early stage and there's still very little competition. You'll also find a referral option here. You can simply copy your referral link and share it with your friends. In return, you'll earn some extra points. So that's it for this video. Make sure to complete all tasks to earn maximum points. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.